Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you one of the ways I use hibiscus flower to grow my hair out longer, thicker, stronger and healthy. Most importantly is stop shedding or reduce it a lot, and your hair will be noticeably thicker and stronger. Please stay tuned and watch till the end. Thank you for stopping by. Mwah. As you can see, I've got my clean container that I'm going to be making the leave-in conditioner in. So I'm going to be adding 2 heaped spoonfuls, yes, of the hibiscus flower and neem. Neem combined with hibiscus is very powerful for your hair. And I'm just adding some water in there. And what I'm going to do is leave it overnight to soak in, so all the goodness gets out of there, so that it gives you a lot of benefit for your hair. So I'm just giving it a good shake and then I'll leave it. And then this is the next day, so I'm going to sieve it out. Be sure to use a fine sieve, because you don't want any bits in your hair. And if you don't mind the bits in your hair, then that's fine then. But that's what I'm doing, just sieving it all out. Once I'm done sieving, what I'm going to do is transfer it into a spray water bottle, and I'm using a funnel so that I don't spill in and out, because every little drop counts, so do not waste it. And you can see what the bits floating at the top is some of the neem powder, but that's fine, you will not notice anything in your hair. So now our hibiscus leave-in is ready to use. Do store it in the fridge, which it could last up to 2 weeks. And also you can add in some rosemary oil as well to give it extra boost. And I've used it on my hair, and you can see towards the end of the video it's made a lot of difference to my hair. My hair is thicker, fuller, and you can see in the inserted photo that I've shaved my hair 4 times and then I've grown it back quicker and faster. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. Take care and bye. Love you.